Vojske Republike Srbije, postrojena za vašu smotru, rapotira puk...
Gospodine predsjedniče, dozvolite da vas jasno informišemo istorijata jedinice, njenom borbenom putu, sadašnjem stanju i funkciji. Prilikom formiranja njene jedino čini su pripadnici naše službe, milicije Republike Srpske Krajine i dobrovoljci Srbije. Druga obaveštajna uprava na prostoru predsjedne Jugoslavije, jedinica specijalne operacije Republike Srpske Krajine. U Republici Srpske Krajine, Golubiću, Dinari, Obrovcu, Gračacu, Plitvicama, Šamaricama, Petrovu Dvore, Ličkom, Osijeku, Benkovcu, Lezbini, Viloku, Vukovaru, AVRK, Banja Luci, Dobroju, Štancu, Brčko, Gljenin, Trebinju, Višegradu, Ozinu, Mrković, Gradu.
We'll let you know that you should only be in just a few moments.
Okay, great.
Yes, but we have to... excellent. Oh, would you like to take another time? If the plane comes first. I don't believe that they cannot have coffee next. What an hour. That will be before the plane, huh?
When the coffee comes, you have a cigarette. Coffee's not here.
No,
No cigarette.
you were right.
Well, they're going to check.
So I can take your seat.
They're checking now to see if they need fuel or not.
Can we have a cigarette here?
No, apparently not.
Okay then.
And also there is a doctor available if you need one.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, awesome.
And if you need water, we can provide water.
I think I need some water.
If we are going to fly this jet, it's better not to drink water.
Probably so.
That was the reason to go to the toilet. There was nothing urgent. We got some urgency, but...
Meni je lično čast što sam svoju zemlju branio od agresije NATO na častan i viteški način. I njihove zarobljenike, Amerikance, pustio sam kući sa obrazloženjem da su i oni žrtve rata.